What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Tobias from the Amazing World of Gumball. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the top edge of the eyes. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And we'll just bend that down on the inside. Let's leave a gap and draw the same thing on the right. Going up towards the top of the eye. And we'll bend that down towards the side. Now you want to round out the ends of the eye. Just going to pull this back in along the bottom. And go out on the inside. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to curve the bottom of the eye. We'll pull this up and then down. Let's add two circles in the center of each eye for the pupil. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now let's go back and fill the inside of each pupil. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start directly underneath the left eye and curve the mouth coming down and then back up. Let's round up the side of the mouth. Go all the way around and just pull that in towards the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom of the mouth with a curve. Coming down, and we'll bend that back up. Now you want to trace the mouth along the inside. So we'll start back on the top left, come down and up. Just round up the side of the mouth. And trace the bottom. Now I'm going to add two curves inside the mouth to separate the teeth. Just bending this out towards the right. Let's go up above the eyes and draw on the eyebrows. We'll start with a short angle line going up and in. Let's flatten off the ends with a straight line. And we'll close off the top of the eyebrow. And we'll fill those in black. Now I want to line up the outside of the eyebrows, step up, and draw a straight line going across the bottom edge of the headband. Let's go up the sides, two straight lines. And we'll draw another straight line going across the top. Let's add a stripe in the center of the headband. And draw two lines, one along the top, and then one directly below. Now from here we can draw those bumps around the head. Let's start from the bottom corner of the headband. Just going to curve this around and then just bend that in like a half circle. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add a slightly larger curve along the side, going out. I'm just going to pull this in, aiming towards the mouth. And then we'll add one large curve across the bottom. We're going to come down and then back up. Now I want to add four bumps across the top of the head. Let's start from the top corner of the headband and go out and then bring that back in. Again, like a half circle. And we'll add two more bumps coming down in the center. We'll go up and bring that down. All the way around the right side. Now let's move down and tuck the legs in underneath the body. We leave a small gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. Draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the ankle. Go to the right side and draw the same length line. Let's round up the heels, coming down around the bottom of the foot, and just pull that up on the outside. Round up the foot and then pull that in. And we'll round up the ankle and go straight up underneath the body. let's separate the top edge of the sock. We'll start with a straight line going across, step down, and draw that again. Let's separate the foot with a curve, in and then down. Now we'll go back up and draw the arms on the hips. Let's start from this point, start by curving this down, round up the arm, and just pull that up toward the side of the leg. And then we'll draw the outside of the arm. We'll step out, just going to trace that same curve, going around, and pulling that in toward the side. Let's separate the wristband with a curve. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Tobias from the Amazing World of Gumball. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.